Okay, so we looked in the downstairs bedroom. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't wait to paint the walls. This place is just gonna look just spectacular. Okay, so let's go back. Check out this little foyer, which I think I can put something fun here on this wall, at least a sewing machine. Well, I guess on this wall because it has the outlet. Okay, and into the living room. Wow, just look at the shine. The shine. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, slow pan. Let me scoot back a little bit. And then into the dining room. There's the hallway. Oh my goodness. Oh, the floors. Right, and into the kitchen. Oh, wow. Okay, and into the little eat-in kitchen. Okay, still some issues with the plumbing problems that they have. So we'll figure out. I think the fridge is going to have to go back there and move the sink. So I think the previous owner maybe wasn't the best plumber, but very good carpenter for sure. And look at this lovely, oh, this is going to be such a wonderful little eat-in dining space here. Yeah, wow. Okay, and again, out the courtyard and lovely tree view out the window. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Oh, beautiful stairs, glowing. Now the other night, the light was on. Oh, wow, look at the landing. Oh boy, it's so pretty. Oh good, that light was, okay. I mean, I guess we left the light on, but wow. Oh, the big upstairs bedroom, wow. Hopefully this is gonna be my sewing studio. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just love it. All right, and let's check the view. There we go. Out our lovely windows. Oh, and the walls are next. I can't wait to get the walls done. Great. And then decide what we're going to do about those closets. It's funny, one's painted and one's not. I can't decide if I like the wood or if I like the painted. It's funny, I kind of like the wood. Yeah, we'll see how difficult it is to sand all that off and not mess up my floor. What about the floor in the closets? Do they need it? Oh, he did the floor in the closets. Oh, he did the floor in the closets. Wow. Oh my goodness. Just phenomenal job. Okay, that was the big bedroom. Here we go into the blue bedroom. Wow, again, the whole house looks bigger. I don't know how is it possible to, I guess the closet too. I'm sure he did the closet. Yeah, the closet's done. Now I just have to decide what I'm going to do with all the trim, partially painted, but I think I can, yeah, looks like there's enough of a gap. Well, not really, darn. Just enough of a gap to get my, at least painter's tape and something very carefully Okay, so moving on to, wow, kids' bathroom. Oh yeah, bye-bye horrible vanities. Oh yeah, gosh, the floors. This bathroom just looks amazing already. Okay, and now let's go into the master. Let's see. Oh, yeah. All right, this is where the washer dryer was. Oh my gosh, the bathroom is so much bigger now. Wow. Okay. All right, and the back master bedroom. It's funny, this room is a little bit smaller than the one up front, but I think this is the one that they had used for the master because it's en suite with the bathroom there and the little Juliet balcony with the washer dryer. Okay, but yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, the floors are just beautiful. Like it's amazing. I'm so happy with the floors. And the closet too, although this light, sometimes it turns on, usually it doesn't, so. Oh, it did. Oh my goodness. Okay. That light turned on, awesome. Yeah, and the closet is so nice. This could almost be just like a little tiny bedroom. You could totally put a single bed and a dresser in here. Okay, master closet or tiny guest room. Okay, wow. Okay, so now I had fun tearing everything out to get the floors redone, and now everything needs to go back in. So I think I'm gonna start with bathrooms. Yeah, definitely. What needs to get painted and fixed? Yeah, you name it. New bathroom fixtures. Okay. Wow, the floors. Just beautiful. And I'm so glad they took the toilets up for me as well, so that when we put new ones in, there won't be a stain on the floor where the old one was. Okay, ooh, and there's some evening. So funny, the glare is so bright. Let's just go back in. Let's just check that out. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm trying to get some shots without the glare from the windows, but it's like the patterns in the wood. It's just so, I don't know, just exciting and different. Like the knots and different stripes, how different the grain of the wood is, you know? Okay, and back out to Mom's big sewing room. Okay, and I don't even know how to turn this light off. And actually, it's funny, I was gonna try to open up all the windows because it was so strong, the scent was so strong, but it's really not that bad now. All right, let's see. Nope. Yep, okay. Okay, back down the super cool stairs. I love these stairs. Okay, again, let's take a brief glamour shot of the stairs. The green is interesting. She did a great job painting the green because it's held up so well for so many years, but could do with a little brightening. Okay, so I'm going to do a slow panorama. My lovely staircase, beautiful fireplace, the living room windows, and side door, into the kitchen, that cute half wall, and my gorgeous bay window, hallway to the front door, lovely picture framing area, and back to the stairs. Okay, thank you so much for taking this tour with me. This was our new heart pine floors, well, or newly refurbished heart pine floors.